welcome back to Dixie Customs. Today we're going to be doing a review on this titanium unlimited 200 welder we picked up. So with this welder you can MIG with flux cord. It also does DC TIG and DC stick welding, so you can do those three with just this one unit. So we're about to get it unboxed and show you what it looks like.
This is something you can use at home because it is 120 volt, which goes into a regular household outlet, or 240 volts if you have like a dryer plug or something like that you can adapt it to. But you do not want to use this with an extension cord unless you use a heavy enough extension cord to carry current a long distance. She's welded with our bigger units, but this is going to be something for her to use for herself, for hobbies. It comes with two ends for the MIG welder. It comes with a cap for the TIG welder. It also comes with your gauge for your gas bottle for your TIG welder.
So you will have to make sure to get you a gas tank.
Screw that knob in, make sure you don't cross thread it, and that's how you adjust the pressure on your gauge as you weld. I'm going to set this over here to the side so I don't knock it off. Alright, there's your adapter that goes from your 110 or 120 wall outlet in your house to the 240 that the welder is wired for.
TIG torch.
It comes with 10 foot of wire. It comes with 3 tips. It comes with your tungsten end and your conductor shield.
This here's the welding cable, ground cable, and the gas hose.
So that's for your stick welder and your ground wire. The gas hose will go from your tank to the welder itself, from your gas bottle. Well, she likes to do hobby type stuff, so what better welder to use? It's cheap, it's affordable, and it will do production. So if you're welding up a frame on your hot rod, or if you're just making an ornamental yard art, this is ideal for it. Like I said, it has a 220 plug or 240 plug, same as your dryer plug would be. So you can unplug your dryer if it's close enough to the back door and hook this to it. It comes with 10 foot of lead for all your accessories. It has a digital readout on the front for your amperage and your volts. Then on the side, there's your MIG gun. And it has 10 foot of lead as well. So this has the same amount of reach as the name brand welders do. It's your wire feed and that's your voltage.
It's got all your settings and all that here easily for you.
Yeah, so if you're new to welding, which I won't always be around for her to ask questions, so she can just open up the cabinet lid and it tells you the thickness of the metal, what the situ gauge is at, speed of your wire, temperature, whole 9 yards, so that's nice too. Like I said, it's all compact enough to where you could use it mobily. If you had a generator where you just plug this directly in the generator. But it's always nice to have extra tips on hand for the MIG side of it. That way you always guarantee that you have everything you need. So get y'all's today
At
Harbor Freight and start making money.
Or just make crafts.
We'll make crafts. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.